Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are the returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video.
The leader of APC. It was war against Sanwo-Olu that was initially part of the protest. Sanwo-Olu mother's house was burnt down. Tinubu TVC station was burnt down. Everything. Now, it was now a war against Tinubu. Some youths picked their phone and called Tinubu Asiwaju. All their conversation, they posted it on the internet. They made us believe that Asiwaju ti abandon country ó ti sá lọ pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀. Àwọn kan tiẹ̀ tún sọ wípé wọ́n ti mú ọmọ Tinubu ní UK. Àwọn ti ṣe léṣe, àwọn ti nà. Fake videos everywhere. Before you could know anything, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní loot shops, businesses. Wọ́n kọ́kọ́ rí àwọn rí palliative later on. Wọ́n láwọn rí kíní ìgbà tó wá di wípé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé adìyẹ aládìyẹ tó wọ poultry oní poultry. There is this celeb, one of these Yorùbá Nollywood star, ìkan nínú àwọn òbejì. Ọmọ yẹn sunkún ni, ó ní gbogbo ọjà àwọn gbogbo owó tó re náà ti kó lọ. But gbogbo yẹn and one look to ShopRite, one look to so many supermarkets. We now started wondering, ṣé ara EndSARS náà lélẹ̀? What is happening in Nigeria? Before you know it, it's now war against APC. Wọ́n ti lọ bá, thank God for Oyetola of Osun State. Wọ́n ti mú mirror, wọ́n ti lọ bá mọ́tò ẹ̀, wọ́n ti attack mọ́tò Oyetola. Thank God, Oyetola is a very peaceful man. Gbogbo wàhálà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Èkó yẹn, Ọ̀ṣun ni ìbá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. If that man has ordered arrest, but he was the one that stood up and said, Ọmọlúàbí of Osun State youth can never do that to her. That those are sponsored hoodlums. Ó wá di pé everybody sọ wípé ẹ̀yin ọmọ yìí ẹ ó tó end Buhari, end Tinubu must go, Buhari must go. After that, the same Lagos state government came out to address people of Lagos State. Despite the destruction, Governor Sanwo-Olu still managed to calm everybody down. He promised to investigate. They set up a panel. They set up a panel to see. So those that complain that àwọn SARS brutalize àwọn tó wà injured ní Lekki, they set a panel. Ìgbà yẹn ni Tinubu gan tẹ́ sọ wípé ó sá kúrò nílùú lárí. But what I want you to realize that gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ lè bàjẹ́ èyí tó wúlò fún citizen of Lagos State nìkan ni wọ́n ti parí délé ni. TVC Tejo was.
Yes, so this one is Zainab, Tuba and Auto Gele, my people. No kind of Tuba wey be say dey for this world wey be say Zainab no dey do am. Na she dey do am by herself, my people. Na dozen na one buy wey be say na one resell am for abroad. Abi na which kind one I want. Make na contact Zainab for na latest Tuba and Auto Gele. The kind of design wey be say una never even jam for any place, my people. Na Zainab and na go forget the latest style and the latest design for Auto Gele and Tuban. Make na contact Zainab if you be person wey be say you dey resell am for abroad, abi you just wan buy am many proof for us, make you dey change am. Contact Zainab for all kind of color of Tuban or any kind of style of Auto Gele. Contact Zainab for your latest Tuban and Auto Gele and thanks me later.
Resurrected within 74 hours. And I could remember I made a post then pé ṣé rí pé ara wa là ń ṣe. Àwọn ará Èkó ló lè ròyìn stress táwọn go through lẹ́yìn EndSARS. Ẹlòmíì rìn pẹ̀lú BRT ìtọ́jú. Di ọ̀la tí ẹ yí ẹlòmíì, wọ́n ti bà yí ẹlòmíì jẹ́, kò lè gbérí mọ́ nípa gbogbo business ẹ̀ tán loot. Yet Nigeria was ready to forgive that. but kíní kan ló ṣì ń dùn mí for no reason at all. Hoodlums, I don't want to say Nigerian youth, because like I said, àwọn ọmọ tó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí òbí wọn kọ́ tó dẹ̀ níbẹ̀rù tó mọ̀ nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi ọjọ́ ọ̀la wọn ṣe, immediately they saw Nigerian army, they left that particular place. So I will say hoodlums now started attacking police. Wọ́n pa ẹlòmíì, wọ́n bẹ́ ẹlòmíì lórí. Ọlọ́pàá ni o, wọ́n dáná sun àwọn kan. We were watching one video like where they were roasting one policeman and they were cutting his flesh and putting it in their mouth. In the name of ESAS, that has ended. Now, for over 8 months, panel tí ìjọba set, we were made to realize that they told us we saw that so many families were compensated. Àwọn tó ń ṣubú, àwọn tó ń farapa, àwọn tó ń claim pé ọlọ́pàá brutalize wọn, they were given some amount, huge amounts, which their lawyers confirmed. Now, the question is, I think I made that post. The question now is, what happened to those policemen? Those policemen, see our hoodlums. Those policemen that faced horrible death because DJ Switch, that you Nigerian youth are now calling hero, misinformed the entire nation. Tí bá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé wọ́n pa police, pé wọ́n brutalize police, you people will be telling me pé ṣé mo lè gbàdúrà kí irú ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí family mi. Have you forgotten that it is only those uniform, it is only when policemen are putting on those uniform, that is when we can call them Nigerian police. Before they put on those uniform, they are somebody's daddy, somebody's mommy, somebody's sisters, somebody's son, for goodness sake, breadwinner of some families. Have we forgotten? What happens to their widows? What happens to their kids? Have you forgotten they are human too? Another question. These policemen that you roasted, that you set ablaze, these are the same policemen you people will still come whenever there is any uprising in your streets or your community. They will be the first thing, the first name that will enter your mind. Let me call police. Those are the same people that must, even if they want to, that must never go on strike, even if their salary is not being paid for 2 years. They dare not. It's against the Constitution. Now, after all those mistakes, after all those madness, we all regretted what happened then. We realized that Nigerian youth overstayed their welcome at Lekki Toll Gate. Even Lekki Toll Gate was destroyed. Now, barely a year after compensating those that were injured, those that were affected one way or the other, I believe the policemen were compensated too. Now, after all those stops, some celebrities, just because they are born of the devil, let me put it that way, just because somebody somewhere is sponsoring them, just because they belong to a clique where they are being used, now said they want to celebrate a year remembrance of EndSARS. After Governor Sanwo-Olu said anybody tó bá mọ̀ wípé èèyàn ń kú ní toll gate should come forward with evidence. As Sanwo-Olu said, anybody that knows that his or her child is missing, wọ́n ti àwọn sọ wípé kú wọ́n, if your child is missing, maybe ó lọ fún EndSARS rally kò wálé mọ́, come out with facts. If you know that your child is killed or your person, your family, a member of your family is killed, oh yeah, come out. Títí here, nobody, we've seen nobody except those that claim they were brutalized by Nigeria police force. Now, you now call for the remembrance. What are you remembering? Remembering how you misformed us? You remember how you set Lagos ablaze? Remembering DJ Sweet that aroused the anger of Nigerian youth ever since. That psychological effect is what we are facing now. So many youth lost interest in this country. So many people hated in this country just because they were brainwashed. Get me right. Nigerian army military was wrong to have gone to Lekki. Instead of inviting Nigerian military, it should have been Nigeria police force. There are so many ways of chasing protesters away. You can use vomiting gas, you can use tear gas, you can use hot water. That was very wrong on the part of the government. But how dare you now twist things and blame a citizen just because he's a leader of a particular political party? You are saying it's Tinubu. So Tinubu yìí náà ni commander-in-chief of armed forces. Sọ wípé Tinubu ló tàyìn fún Hausa. Ṣé Tinubu nìkan ló dìbò? Ṣé gbogbo wa kọ́ la ṣe ṣe bàbá, gbogbo wa kọ́ la ṣe ṣe Buhari gbà yẹn ni? Or because you are being paid, or because you want to gain followers, you want to be richer at all costs, because you want your party to get back into power, must you destroy the nation? The same tactics tí Tinubu lò ní bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ lò náà. Ṣé ẹ̀yin Yorùbá dìbò fún Ọbásanjọ́ nígbà tó fẹ́ ṣe táàmù tiẹ̀? Ìyá Hausa yìí náà ló lò ó. I told you ọjọ́ òkùnkùn lọ́rọ̀ olóṣèlú kan tá bá ń bẹ̀ láyàn. So barely a year after, trying to compensate everybody, this same set of people that called for EndSARS, tó jẹ́ wípé history did not tell us they were there at Lekki when the Nigerian military were shooting at those kids. Tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti gbẹ́rù wọn, wọ́n ti sá lọlé. They were in the comfort of their room. Tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ sẹ́nu kòkò, wọ́n ti padà wọnú ilé. Please let me share this. I don't think they want to flag this. Let me love, let me share. Tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ, wọ́n ti tì wọ́n sí ẹnu ikú, àwọn ti lọlé tí Nigeria military ò bá wọn débẹ̀. Àwọn náà ló tún wá call fún another EndSARS remembrance, just because you can't just wait to destroy that Lagos, just because you can't just come to the time that Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu refused to die. Ṣé mo pé ẹ ti announce ikú ẹ ti celebrate ikú ẹ bí ẹni pé tán bá pín ogún ẹ á kàn yín. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé àdèmọ́ bí tọ́rọ̀ lọ, if you were allowed for a longer period in that Lekki toll gate, cause àti rí yín Ìbàdàn báyìí, sọ wípé ẹ ṣe remembrance EndSARS mọ́, remembrance kíní lẹ tọ́ni ẹ̀ sí báyìí, ẹ ti ní free Sunday Igboho now. Kòtòdú tó yẹ kẹ́ lọ máa ṣe rally bẹ́ẹ̀ ká ẹ máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ kan free Sunday Igboho ẹ ti lọ káṣẹ́ yìí Mákindé gómìnà onígómìnà ẹ ti lọ kamọ́ government house ẹ ní free Sunday Igboho now, just because you are being sponsored by some people that can't just wait to destroy this country. Ẹni tó bá wá ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ tọ̀rọ̀ ẹni ó ti gbowó. I don't even have a brother that is a bloody commissioner. I don't know anybody in politics. I am just doing my thing. All I'm saying is, look at what will happen today. The likes of Macaroni is there, Mr. Macaroni. The likes of Faz the bad guy is there. They will get more followers. They will get more publicity. That is it. That is the game. Èmi tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ hate náà tẹ́ tẹ orí red fún. Whether you are cursing me, whether you are liking me, at least 1 or 2 followers must follow me. You are still in the same spot, at the same place, wailing, achieving nothing. You are just collateral damage. They are just using you. Use and up. Ìgbà tó bá ti ń pín owó, ìgbà tó bá ti, when it is happening, you will be called. When it's time to sacrifice someone's blood, they will remember you. Wọ́n ò ní máa ṣe wedding ọmọ wọn kan pè ní síbẹ̀. Wọ́n ò ní máa ṣe birthday fún ọmọ wọn kan jẹ́ kẹ́ wọlé. But when it's time to die, they will call you out. And you know, maybe I should start speaking to you in the language you understand. Fools! Because bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń bá yàn sọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn, little thing ẹ ti ń ṣe pé. And you know, because you are not scores. Ẹ ti gbàgbé àwọn òbí tó náwó lé yín lórí, àwọn òbí tó jìjà láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù, àwọn òbí tó jẹ́ wípé owó lápò owó grooming náà ń gbà tó fi rán yín ní school. You will be there, máa fara gbé àwọn ọmọ olówó tó jẹ́ wípé it's just a phone call. Phone call ló máa jẹ́ tó fi máa bẹ́ẹ̀lì wọn. Àwọn tó ti gbélé ní Lẹ́kí, àwọn ló lè ròyìn. Wọ́n lè sún lélẹ̀ ni, I can bet it. What is wrong with you? I will be talking, you will be saying I'm being paid, I'm being sponsored. Just for saying the truth, that is what I can't just come to understand. I begin to wonder. Or is it the fact that, believe pé obìnrin ni mí, I ought not to know all this. Maybe the problem is because I'm a woman. Thank God ẹ tí bá mi pàdé lọ́dọ̀ olóṣèlú kankan, ẹ tí bá mi ẹ tí rí mi, so ẹ tí ní opportunity láti pè mí láṣẹ́wó. Mùmú èpè lẹ́sìn iṣẹ́ èpè tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ̀yin fúnra yín ló ń jà. What is wrong with you? Can't you just think? If there's anybody, if there's any remembrance, if there's any possession, I believe it ought to be a candlelight possession made for those that died because we were informed. For those police force, Nigerian policemen that were brutally murdered. I think we should go and visit their family. We owe them apology. They are human too. They are citizens too. They are human. They are citizens before they become Nigerian policemen. Even the bad ones among them, you couldn't reach them. It's the innocent ones that you people killed. What happened to their children? Victim of society again. Èèyàn kan wá ń pè yín, wọ́n ní kẹ́ lọ ṣe ẹlẹ́fẹ́ ṣe remembrance. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé poverty tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní country náà ṣó ti rọ́ sí gbogbo wa lọ́pọlọ ni? Can't we just think? Àwọn emotional blackmailer náà wọ́n kó tó comment kankan, wọ́n máa ní Fulani is everywhere. Fulani is everywhere. Ẹ̀yin Yorùbá tó jẹ́ wípé orí Facebook lẹ máa wà tẹ́ ti máa dìbò. Àwọn Hausa wọ́n jáde ní masses. Wọ́n máa dìbò yìí ni. Yorùbá tó jẹ́ wípé tó bá rí ọmọ very young kìíní tó bá fẹ́ register fún election. Ẹ̀yin náà lẹ máa dá padà. Bóyá torí pé kò ní statue ni, ẹni statue ẹni kò tí lè pé 18 irọ́ ló pa. Ọlọ́mọ máa sọ wípé ọmọ ò ti pé 18 ẹni láyé kò tí pé 18 kò tí pé 16 ẹni register fún election. Àwọn Hausa wọ́n register ọmọ 13. They are voting. Orí Facebook orí kíní láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹlòmíì inú yóò ní voters card. Ẹ wọ́n láwọn Hausa ń rúùlù wa. Wọ́n ṣe ní rúùlù wa. Orí Facebook yìí náà ni Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ló ṣẹ̀yìn. Ẹjọ́ tẹ́ bá ní kọ́tẹ̀ lọ tó bá bá ní Tinubu ló ṣẹ̀yìn, ẹ máa sọ pé ó lè ní, ẹ máa sọ pé kíní. Ẹjọ́ kí lẹ fẹ́ pé Dangote o. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé Tinubu ló ṣẹ̀yìn. Kí lẹ fẹ́ pé Dangote? Every decision made in this country is in favor of Dangote. No household in Nigeria will wake up without using Dangote's products. Ní each family, a máa lo Dangote's bó jẹ́ kankan nínú Dangote wá jẹ́ iyọ̀. It's as if once you mention Nigeria, you mention Dangote. Ẹ máa pè lólè. Just because somebody is brilliant politically. Just because Ọlọ́run gbé èèyàn kan sípò. Àwọn èèyàn kan dẹ̀ wárí fún pé you are our leader. just because somebody ẹ ti try láti disgrace ẹ láti dọwọ́ ẹ̀ bolẹ̀ ọlọ́run tún fún ṣe sí ní ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sponsor àwọn youth against ẹ pè lólè tó bá ní kí ló ṣe ẹ ló tàwà fún Fúlàní lọ́nà òwò èló ló gbà ẹ ló lè ní ẹ ní òun ló ní kinní kan ó lóye tó ń gbà ṣé ká máa tú tẹ́bá ní olóye tó ń gbà Àtíkù kọ́ṣọ́ clean ni ṣé bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ clean ni ṣé wọ́n clean ni ẹ máa sọ wípé ẹ obìnrin designing àbí kí ló ń jẹ́ òun ló lọ ra 40 billion jewelries what of jewelries tán gbà lọ ẹ ní kí wọ́n pa Tinubu náà just because of Yorùbás ayé yìí ṣàtìta ẹ ti wà nídìí ọ̀tẹ̀ ẹ ti wà nídìí ọ̀tẹ̀ téèyàn bá ti wà lókè kẹfà lulẹ̀ ni ẹ ń ṣàṣefẹ́ mi náà ni kò ètì sí bí mo dé ètì sí rírí mo rí ọ̀rọ̀ mi kí mi kàn gbé fóònù mi kí mi sọ̀rọ̀ ni àyè kí n pera nílò ọ̀rẹ́ mi náà ni a lọ open Facebook account fake Facebook account and you think I don't know you ṣé ẹ̀rọ pé mi mọ̀ yín ni by the tone of what you are typing moment tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ moment tó lè jẹ́ èyí náà ni a la máa bú mi kí a máa ṣépè that is what you people do and it's not as if you are it's not as a matter of fact you know I'm saying the truth but the jealousy the problem you have is that ó ṣe máa jẹ́ Lọ́lá ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ who is Lọ́lá ṣe bá mọ̀ ṣe bá àbúrò lágbájá ọmọ kékeré ọjọ́ yẹn what does she know ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ kọ́kọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ní bọ̀rọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ kẹsọ something positive about the country ṣé ẹ ti wá lọ celebrate báyìí kí lẹ mú bọ̀ kí lè rè yín another innocent youth has been arrested another set of youth has been arrested kí lẹ mú bọ̀ báyìí kí lẹ achieve báyìí noise àti rí ibi tá ìgbọ́rọ̀ lọ báyìí free Sunday Igboho now and everybody mọ̀ wípé Sunday Igboho ò tiẹ̀ ní ẹjọ́ pẹ̀lú Nigeria government ó mọ̀ wípé ẹjọ́ Sunday Igboho gan ló pe Nigeria government lẹ́jọ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ ti dájọ́ tó ti favour ẹ̀ wọ́n ti ní kó fún ní 20 billion bó tiẹ̀ wájọ́ audio money bí òjò audio money ìyẹn ò kàn wá mọ́ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ lọ́kọ́ tó dúkẹ́ lọ gbé placard yín just because you can't wait to loot again gbogbo ilé ìta ìdí ní láti ẹ ti tán ẹ tún fẹ́ jí mi. When it comes to dividends of the nation àwọn ọmọ Igbo a máa sọ wípé they want Biafra they want their own country when it comes to Lagos tó bá ti di pé coming together to destroy Lagos wọ́n á máa sọ wípé Lagos is no man's land how dare you must be stupid for saying that ṣé tẹ́ bá gba Biafra yín tán ṣé láti Biafra yín lẹ́tí máa rúdù Lagos ni tẹ́ fi máa sọ wípé Lagos is no man's land ṣé wọ́n lè pe Onitsha ní no man's land just because Yorubas are accommodating. You can't just wait to destroy Yoruba leaders. Mo ti rí comment yín ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣépè fún Sanwó-Olú ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣépè fún Tinubu ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kí ni problem yín? Èèyàn kan ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ wípé mo gbowó I'm sponsored. Kò tí tó time. When I'm sponsored, you won't say it. You will see it. You said I want to be relevant. Yes. Who doesn't want to be relevant? If you don't want to be relevant, I want to be relevant. I want to be known for good things. I want to be known for positive impact. Ṣé orí bíbẹ́ ló borí fífọ́ ni? Ṣé ìtẹ́ wá ń ṣe ìlú wa ṣé Nàìjíríà ti wá dáa báyìí? Security ti wà. Dọ́là ti wálẹ̀. Wọ́n ti construct gbogbo Nigerian roads. Ṣé ìtẹ́ ṣe lé ní báyìí gbogbo ẹ̀ ti wà okay? Just because Buhari is ruling. Do I believe because scatter gbogbo ẹ̀ ni? Will Buhari be here for long? See, Buhari máa kúrò lórí seat of presidency. Nigeria will still be Nigeria. Another person will still be there. Nigeria will still be Nigeria. We are asking you youth, what are your plans? The strength that you gather ara yín ní Lekki, the power tẹ́ fi gather ara yín tẹ́ fi pariwo essence tẹ́ fi ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ a ní kẹ́ lò do something positive. Do something positive. Don't be cajoled by those that tó jẹ́ pé tó bá ti investigate bàbá wọn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn bàbá wọn ẹ̀wọ̀n ló yẹ kó wà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn bàbá wọn ni advocate fún terrorist. Báwo ló lè ṣe máa lóun fẹ́ bá wa tú ilé wa ṣe táwa náà dẹ̀ máa gbà ó lè volunteer kó fẹ́ bá wa tú ilẹ̀kùn ilé wa ṣe. Is that not deceit from the pit of hell? Until tomorrow, me ò tí rí sincere rally o. Until we see a rally, a protest that is not being sponsored by some antagonists, we will not acknowledge. Ọjọ́ tá bá ti rí sincere rally, tá bá ti rí those that are sincere, those that are not sponsored, we will know, because the Bible says by their fruit you shall know them. Not the fathers of those that we can't be cajoled by the sons of whose fathers destroyed Nigeria.